Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious wholemeal loaf. Start off by adding your flours into a bowl and then mix them together. Add in your salt and then mix it in and then put the bowl to one side. In a small bowl, add in your yeast and pour some warm milk into it. Leave it alone for about 15 minutes until it gets foamy. Add the mixture to the jug of milk and then mix it in. Make a well in the center of the bowl of flour and then pour the yeast mixture into it. Cover the milk mixture with some of the flour and then cover the bowl with cling film and leave this alone for a few minutes. When it's ready, remove your cling film and then mix this together. Just use a wooden spoon to mix it together until it's too thick. Then put the wooden spoon to one side and then knead it in the bowl with your hands for a bit. Add some vegetable oil on your work surface and knead the dough until it is smooth. Put this in a bowl and cover it for a few minutes until it's risen. When it's risen, remove your cling film and then punch back the dough a bit and then shape it into a loaf with your hands. Just roughly make it into a loaf by just rolling it on your work surface. Put this mixture in a loaf tin and then cover it and then leave this to rise. A few minutes before it's finished rising, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. When your bread is ready, put it in the oven and let it bake for about 50 to 60 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Remove it from the tin and tap it at the bottom. It should make a hollow sound. Put it on a cooling rack and leave it to cool completely. I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like inside. You can see it's nice and baked through and it tastes great. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.